Japan, here I am. Good morning. So it is day 3 here in Tokyo. It's raining. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but that's the one thing I'm not really liking here. It's the rain. It's you always have to carry an umbrella because you never know when it's gonna rain. So, and it's cold. It's like you see me always in jacket and scarf and my little beanie, of course, which I like. So these are the things which I'm not really very fond of here. Apart from that, everything else is awesome. Food wise, oh my god, this is paradise for food. And clothing, okay, we're gonna go to Harajuku today, and Harajuku is like the fashion place for like every fashionista, and they have like the craziest fashion there. So I'm like, whoa, I'm gonna go there and check that place out. I am right now at a cafe called Nicholas House, and it is about bunnies. Basically, you have to wear bunny ears to be served here. And as you can see, I'm wearing my amazing bunny ears. And it is really funny because literally everybody has to wear bunny ears. And they have like all these amazing balloons. I mean, I feel like Alice in Wonderland, it's like Rickshaw Wali in Wonderland. And we have toys here. It's just like the most insanest thing. I'm telling you guys, I've never seen something so insane. I'm living in a world of balloons everywhere. Okay, time for my coffee. Back in Tokyo! I am here in Shinjuku, and this is like the party zone. I don't know exactly what this is, but it's like insane crazy stuff happening here, especially around me. As you can see, I'm just about to sit there, guys. And yeah, it's crazy. People are going crazy. There are robots here, there are geishas here. I don't know, actually I haven't seen any, but I suppose there must be some geishas here. Especially a lot of people who just are here to have fun, like me, because I also want to have fun. You see in the back there? There you see. Yeah, and some colors are there and there, and I'm like, oh, I'm in this crazy Tokyo, going circly. Yeah, I know. I'm also feeling a little dizzy now, but and I'm sitting on a chair, right? And it's so freaky. This entire area is like crazy, like EDM music and colors and stuff like that. It's pretty insane. And yeah, I'm about to go to the robot restaurant now. This is gonna go great.
You can sit anywhere, free seats, you can buy drinks.
Okay, so we just came out of the robot restaurant. It was crazy. I did not expect all of that. It was really wacky and weird. Fun also, of course. But yeah, I mean, you should definitely come and see it once. I've seen it once and it was enough for me. And now it's time to sleep for me. Okay, good night. Okay, so I'm right now in this most amazing cafe you can imagine. It is called a cat cafe, and it's literally what it is. You have a coffee and you can pet a cat. And guess what? I have right now a small cat right next to me. Check this. Okay, let me show you the rest of the cats. Hold on. I'm in Harajuku, and guess what? I am shooting right now with an awesome girl. Two awesome girls actually. One is Alice. And this is Charlotte in Japan.
Yeah. In Japan.
Yeah, in Japan. Actually, Charlotte in Japan is shooting in Japan with me, and they both are awesome because they're helping me shoot my video here, and we're here in Harajuku, and it's like insane. Okay, what do you guys think so far?
We're having fun. We're having fun. It's very crowded today.
Yeah, guys, check this out. The thing is, we can't tell you yet what we are shooting because that's going to be a separate thing. But at least, and she doesn't know any English, like she can't, I can speak to her, she can't speak to me, right?
Yeah, she can answer. She understands you.
If I ask her, will she answer?
なんか聞いたら答える日本語で
答えられるよ。
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Alice.
Oh, see, she understood me. Now you ask me.
名前は何ですか？
Anisha Ides.
好きです。
Is that right? I don't know.
You're saying like I love Anisha.
Oh, I love her. Yeah, that too actually. Kind of not really done, but we kind of managed to get some cool Japanese people to be in the video. And guys, it's insane because this is the first time nobody said no to be in the interview. Like literally, I don't know how that happened. It was insane. We did so well.
Loves you.
Yeah, Japan. No, I was probably too intimidating to them. They were scared of me.
Get in my video now.
Yeah, actually. So they saw me and I like attacked them, and they were like, okay, we'll do it. We'll do it. So I'm quite happy, and I think it was a successful show. Yeah. Okay, alright. Up for the next adventures. And too many people, by the way. There's so many people. Look at this. This is Dadar station right now in Japan. Alright guys, shoot part 1 is done, and now I am at shoot part 2, and I am at the YouTube Space Tokyo. Yes, the first time. This is awesome, and it's super exciting because I've never shot at a space, so it's the first time I'm shooting at a space, even though there's a space in Mumbai. But here I'm just using it for the first time. I don't know how this happened, but it just made it easier for me to shoot the things I want to shoot. So it's pretty awesome because this space is also cool. We're like, I don't even know, is it like the 30th floor or something? I'm not really sure. As you can see behind me, this is like Tokyo happening in the back. Yep. See this? See this green tower? This is the green. This is not the green. Sorry, this is the red tower. My bad. Did you see the red tower? I'm sorry. I've been shooting so much today that my mind is like off stuff. So yeah, I'm sorry if I'm grammatically saying things in a very weird way. And yeah, so now I'm going on a very funky stage which has a lot of light. I'm basically lit up in a literal way. And we can like shoot any of these places. We can shoot here. There are a couple of people involved in it as well, and Charlotte in Japan is also involved. So I can't tell you what it is. You will see the videos, and but I'm very excited to be here. And it's very late. It's like already 5 o'clock, so it's not like I have a lot of time to shoot. But whatever time I have, I will try to make the best out of it. And yeah, hey, YouTube Space Tokyo, Rickshaw Valley in Japan, it's happening. Okay guys, I am here with Claire and with Evelyn. And we're doing a little bunny, yes, we're doing a karaoke time here for us. Yeah, we kind of, our voices are terrible though, like really bad. There you go. Evelyn, go, go. And I didn't want, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I kept on. I still have my phone up, and baby I've been moving on. And I think it should be something that I'm I'm messing up so much. Mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. Now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. I feel like the way you look that much. Oh baby, you should go and love yourself. Oh yeah, love I was sitting in the airplane and I am taking off for Mumbai now. So this was it. This was my Japan trip, Ricksters, and it was amazing. I loved every single bit of it, and I'm sad that it's over. But well, everything good has to come to an end. So I'm very excited to come back to Mumbai now. And thank you so much for watching, Ricksters. I hope you enjoyed my little vlog of Japan, whatever I did. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please do subscribe to my channel by clicking down here, because I love you all. I hope you all love me too. And also because my hair is everywhere, just for that reason. And give this video a thumbs up if you like this video and want me to do more vlogs like this. Thank you so much, and see you very, very soon in Mumbai. Bye.